Hello viewers, welcome to Learning X. Again, we have come with another video in our business reporting and presentation series. In this series, we are focusing on charts which will be useful for business reporting and presentation. In this video, we'll make this comparison chart with the help of column chart. Download link is in the description box. So let's start. So first of all, we'll copy it and we'll paste it here. We'll use data validation to find out the month. We'll go to data validation. We'll select this and it's done. We've got a month. We'll give a support data. Now I'll type index formula to derive the data from this data set. I'll type index. I'll select this as array. I'll lock it. I'll type match. I'll give this as lookup value. For lookup array, I'll select this. Then lock it. Give 0 for exact match. Comma for column number. Again type match. Select this and lock it. Then select this as array and lock it. 0 for exact match. Double bracket and close. Drag it down. For support data, equal the cell, multiply by 110% or 1.1. Drag it down. Now select this. Go to insert. This line chart. Change chart type. Go to combo. First one will be the clustered column and second one will be this one. Click OK. The chart will look like this. Then copy this pipe logo. Already I've downloaded it from the internet. You can use as you wish. I'll bring this line. I'll give it a black color outline for shape effect. I'll give a glow and the glow color will be black. I'll give a dash and for arrow I'll select this one. Now I'll copy this and I'll paste it in this chart, or I can change the glow color to green and I'll paste it here. Now it's looking better. For line, I'll give no outline. Now I'll select the logo and I'll paste it according to the data. I'll remove all the unnecessary parts from the chart. I'll add data levels. I'll format data level. I want to show it in million, so that I'll type 0 and M, so it's showing in million. Now I'll go to format. I'll give no outline. Again I'll go to format and I'll change the fill with this gray color, and our chart is done. Now if I change the month, the data is changing automatically according to that. This is all about this video. If you have enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and check out our other series for more attractive chart and dashboard videos.